So I'm getting the mirrors ready here. Getting them taped up so they are ready to paint. Funny story about the mirror. About 2 months ago, I was headed down the back road to work in the morning. And I was just bopping along, listening to my music. Same thing I do every morning going to work. And all of a sudden, there was this really loud bang. Holy shit, what the fuck was that? I mean a loud bang. Scared the shit out of me. Had no idea what I hit or what happened. Actually, at first I thought something maybe flew up off of the truck in front of me, and I had no idea. So I pulled over and reviewed my dash cam, and that's when I realized that the trash can was sticking out in the road too far, and my mirror smashed into the handle, and it smashed the mirror into bits and pieces, left a pretty good dent on the side of Tina's door. So in the grand scheme of things, not a huge deal. It was easily fixed and replaced. In fact, the mirror that we used to replace it came off a Bernie. So if you go back quite a while to some of our other videos, you will see the Bernie video, and you can check that out. As you can see, I have this one ready to go. So now I just got to get this one done, and then I'm going to get this all scuffed up, and then these are ready to paint. I'm excited. Brian is spraying the mirrors. They are scuffed and ready to go.
Oh, these are going to look minty when they're done.
I know. It's just so exciting.
It's just flat right now.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
This thing is really filthy.
Yeah. Well, it's probably never been out of the car since it's new. That's funny.
Yeah. Yeah, right.
It's probably never been removed. We don't think it has, because the car was never in an accident. It was never wrecked. It was just badly damaged, but it was not.
Nope.
It wasn't wrecked.
No.
Yeah, that's fantastic. I can't wait to put all this stuff back together. It's going to look like $1 million.
I know.
You're not going to believe how it's going to look. Wait till this goes back on the car. Man.
I know.
You know it?
I know.
Gail's just cleaning it. We didn't even polish it yet. We're going full OEM, brand new, out of the box look, because we're not going to cut a corner here.
We're going all the way.
We're going all the way. It's good. If you're going to do this, right? I mean...
Right. Do it right.
Right.
All right. Brian's taking out the windows.
All this for a door handle.
Yeah, right.
That's what you got to do. Well, while it's out, you'll get a
good cleaning.
Clean glass, and you'll get lubed tracks, and it's going to be like a brand new car.
I know.
More. That rubber's looking not too good, but it's on the bottom, so there's the window.
Super.
There's the track. Now the window should just walk right out. I think it's going to just come right out. If I remember correctly.
There we go. All right.
Gail's got lots and lots. All that for a door handle. They still haven't taken it out yet.
Right.
It's the only way to get. You can't get it out.
We'll come around to this
Physically cannot get it out.
Nope.
Without doing that. So now this piece here, the latch, has to come out next.
All that for a door handle.
Yeah. And it's very fragile. Like, you can't get in here and get all bossy and manhandling.
Right.
You're going to do it my way.
Yeah, you have to do it the right way.
You have to. If you break something here, you're totally screwed. There's no going down to AutoZone.
Yeah, they're not going to have a 24-year-old door handle
The
in
last
stock.
time this was touched, the Korean guy was building it.
Installed it.
Pretty much. It's really, really fragile. And it does not want to come out at all. And all these little flies.
I know, they're driving me nuts too.
Nope. It doesn't want to play right now. Let's try to take the bolts out. All that for that. There it goes.
Yep.
problem is it's still attached. The little arm is still attached to it.
Oh.
That's what you have to try to slide out. There's a little arm in there that controls when you lift up the door. Hopefully you jostle it around a little bit, it loosens up.
Yeah.
And then it'll come out. Going back in, it's great. And it's just not wanting to.
No, that one's being difficult.
And that's the thing, you can't really.
Yeah, you got to have the patience with it. You can't force it.
Nope. There. Now you can see what's holding on to it. Looks like there's a small crack in it, actually. Hopefully that's not. Is that a crack? Or just molded in the plastic?
I think it's the molding in the plastic.
Good, because that would be.
I don't mean I'm not 100%, but judging by the line.
Well, we'll take it off the actuator, I guess. It's not wanting to come off that either, so it has to come off this way. The other ones all came off. This one here is just
being difficult.
Yeah, and look at, you can't break it. It's plastic.
No, I know. I see that.
And it pops in.
And carefully pops out.
There it goes.
There it goes.
There you go.
Look at that. There's Tina's door handle.
All that.
For that little thing.
Yeah, because if you really want to do a quality job, you can show them the molding. Look at this piece. This has to come out.
Yeah.
That can stay in here because that's not going anywhere.
Nope.
That all stays in the door.
All right.
That stays in the door. But look at these clays are what we have to get out. These things.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
And they're snapped in one way on each end of the front and the back. So that's my next job.
Yeah. Well, good luck.
Thanks.
I'll be over later to see how your progress is. I have to get these gaskets off the door handles very, very carefully. Because if I screw one up, I gotta go back to the junkyard. And I don't want to do that. Voila.
You're in the sunlight. Yeah, that scratch is fucking pretty deep. It's gonna be hard to fucking get that out. It's on the very bottom. But I think if I coat another primer or two on it, and then it's gonna get 2 coats of paint and clear, it probably aren't, you're just not gonna see it.
Okay.
You could spend fucking, 45 minutes. I mean, pretty much, they're mostly pretty good. I mean, there's flaws are few, but until you get into that, we could be 2 coats of paint into that plus primer, and I would say, you're not even gonna, you won't even, I didn't even notice that was broken until I took it off the car.
I know.
So how are we gonna notice it?